Para mí las mujeres son mejores, las mejores.
I feel very lucky being a woman judoka because we have equal opportunities to the men for the competitions, prize money, even qualification for the Olympic Games.
And I love the most to coach women. I had also big experience with men, but for me, it's the best job to coach women.
Men are really supportive of us, so it really feels nice.
I can see a lot of role model that coming for men, but also a lot of role model coming for women.
The lady that inspires me is my little daughter.
My mom, she does everything for me and she is always there for me. She is my superhero.
Of course, it's my mother. She is like the best friend for me.
Pues voy a decir una alumna mía, que es Laura Martínez Abelenda, de 48 kilos. Es una chica súper trabajadora, muy buena estudiante y es un ejemplo para mí de mujer.
So the women in Ireland doing judo is very low at the moment, so in the future I'd really like to be an ambassador to promote judo for women.
I wish all women in judo to have a larger and deeper involvement on all levels.
I want women in judo to have no barriers to achieving their goals and dreams.
Bueno, pues que consigan todos sus sueños, los triunfos que se merecen y que les vaya todo muy bien, como a todos los judokas.
Me gustaría que las mujeres se integraran en este mundo de hombres, en el judo, y poderse destacar aún más, porque somos mujeres y podemos.
Happy International Women's Day!